Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 52. ACHIM. ACHIM. The word ACHIM is simply the Korean term for morning. Again, ACHIM is morning in Korean. How do we write ACHIM in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable A, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang followed by an A character. For the second syllable chim, we need to draw a chiat character followed by an E character followed by a mium character. Then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables. Now let's try looking at this sentence. It says 저은 아침입니다. Again, it's 저은 아침입니다. This sentence could be subdivided. 저은 means good, 아침 means morning, and 입니다 is used to say it is. So when we combine these three, it would result to 좋은 아침입니다, and its meaning would be good morning. And with that, you've just learned ACHIM. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 42 to 51. But don't forget our word for today, word number 52, ACHIM, which means morning. The first word for our review is Annyeong Haseyo, and this is used to say, keep up the good work. Next word for our review is Janmanayo, and this is used to say, you're welcome. Next word is Opsoyo, and this is used to say, I don't have or there isn't. Next word is Isoyo, and this is used to say, I have or there is. Next word is 정말, and this is used to say really or very much. Next word is 미안해, and this is used to say I'm sorry. Next word is 집, and this is used to say home. Next word is 시간, and this is used to say time. Next word is 고양이, and this is the Korean term for cat. And the last word for our review is word number 42, 학생, which means student. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.